get them done a couple days ago. And this is my hair right now. I'm about to do some crimps for the first time, so you guys are gonna watch me do the crimps. So
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3, 4 times 16. I testify for you. I told that you with all that I'm around. You scared it, you know I'm not. Long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. If you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Now you talk so much it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up.
guys, so this is the one side. This is my first time, like I already said, so but I think they look pretty good. So let's finish the rest. So this is the finished product. This is the finished look. Super cute. First time, but still looks really good. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey y'all. So right now I'm about to go and try these Korean hot dogs. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. As you guys can see, my hair is straight today. So I'm driving right now. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. I'm here. I told you guys I would talk to you once I got here. I've been wanting to try this for a minute, and I thought it would be like, why not vlog it? Yeah, let's go. If I'm low energy, it's because it's kind of early. So yeah. And I am excited to try these corn dogs. Hopefully they have them. If not, then we'll just go do something else. Yeah. For my first time, I think it's pretty good. Back in the car. It is 1:31. All right, you guys, so I'm back in the car now after trying the corn dogs slash hot dogs. Corn dog, I don't know. Corn dogs and my other camera, but I would rate my corn dog I would rate the one that I had a 7. I think it tastes similar to what an authentic one. I'm gonna turn on the air, you guys, because it's getting... Now I'm about to go and get some food. Surprise. I know you guys aren't surprised. I'm always going to get food. Now I'm going to get some food and I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. I just wanted to come in and talk to you guys and update you guys. So I'll show you guys the shelves that I got for my room. What the shelves look like. I got a set of 3, but this is one of them. They all look the same, so yeah. And I just plan to put perfume on them and just plan on putting some perfume on them, some organizing things better. I'm gonna get the other shelves and I'm gonna show you guys those. This is what the shelves look like. It's 1, 2, 3. But it's 3 shelves. I just wanted to show you guys the shelves and you guys what they look like and just end off this video. This is probably not going to be the longest video and probably not going to be the most funnest video, but most of the time I am working on jewelry or working on myself, so you know, it's not always going to be a lot of things getting done in the vlogs. Either way, I'm still going to vlog for you guys and I'm still going to show you guys what's going on and everything like that. So this is what you guys know. I got my nails done at the beginning of this video. I'm going to try to make the next vlog a little bit longer. Try to make the next vlog a little bit better for you guys and a little bit more entertaining and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog though. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Don't forget to shop jewelry, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And also, if my energy is low, it's because I'm tired, you guys. I'm working on jewelry, of course, you guys already know this. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.